We are discussing about standard angles, quadrant angles, allied angles. Okay. So based on these three results, to solve simple problems, look here. Problem number one. Each problem carries 2 to 3 marks. Now here first problem. What is that? Prove that sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. How to solve? Take LHS to prove RHS. Now take LHS part. What is LHS? Sine square pi by 6, okay, plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. To prove RHS, minus 1 by 4. Now these are radians. To convert radian to degree, what is degree? So sine square pi by 6, pi value 180. 180 by 6, how much degree? 30 degree. Plus cos square pi is 180. 180 by 3, 60 degree. Minus tan square pi value 180. 180 divided by 4, how much degree? 45 degree. Okay, simplify. Limit power to 2 beta degree. Sine 30 degree, you know the standard angle chart. What is sine 30 degree value? Yes, 1 by 2 whole power plus cos 60 degree. Remember, what is cos 60 degree value? 1 by 2 whole power minus tan 45 degree. See that chart? Tan 45 degrees. 1 to the power of 2. Simplify. 1 square 1, 2 square 4. 1 square 1 divided by 2 square 4 minus 1. Now among these three take the LCM. LCM of these three is 4. 4 ones are here, 1 4. So 1 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 4 4. 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 4 minus 2 divided by 4. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, that is minus 1 by 2, that equals RHS. Here solid on standard angle chart to quadrant angles to allied angles can propagate. Okay. Whereas problem number ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, prove that 2 sin square pi by 6 LHS part 2 sin square pi by 6, okay, plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 into cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Now first to convert radian to degree. 2 sin square pi by 6 means 30 degree plus cosec square 7 pi by 6. 7 into pi value 180 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 30s are 30 into 7 210 degree into cos square pi by 3 pi 180 by 3 60 degree. Observe it. 30 degree, 60 degree is standard angle. Is it 210 degree standard angle? No. So first to convert standard angle. Is it standard angle? Convert. How to convert? Now. First to find that angle. Cosec, limit power 2. Cosec 210 degree. 210 degree, it is not standard angle. It is not quadrant angle. What are quadrant angles? 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, 360. Aithanile illa. That is not quadrant angles. Split it. He is a quadrant angle convert ಮಾಡಿ. How to convert? By using allied angle. How to write? Cosec 210 degree split of the angle. We take 180 degree plus 30 degree. ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಲ್ಲ 180 plus 30. Or if you take 270 degree minus 60. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. 270 minus 60 210 or 180 plus 30 210. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು? ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. Don't split 200 plus 10 because 200 degree that is not quadrant angle. It must be quadrant angle ದಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. So how to split? 210 degree can be written as either 180 plus 30 or 270 minus 60. Okay, next how to solve that equals ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಂತ you call it as a theta. So ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು 180 plus theta. Apply three conditions. Condition 1, 2, 3, you know in allied angle. If the angle 180 plus or minus theta, 180 plus or minus theta ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ trigonometric ratios remains same. Trigonometric ratios remain same. That is cosec theta. Theta value 30 degree. You know that cosec of 180 plus theta is equal to cosec theta. Theta value 30 degree. Then apply condition 3. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means 210 degree. 210 degree ಯಾವ quadrant ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Is it second quadrant? No. Is it third quadrant? Yes. 210 degree lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ? You know. A, S, T, C. In third quadrant T. Tan and cot are positive. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಿದೆ? Cosec. Cosec ಏನಿರಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು? Negative. Here, so 180 plus theta, trigonometric ratios remain same, but 180 plus theta means 210 degree lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Tan and cot are positive, but here cosec is there. Cosec is negative. That is minus. The value of cosec 30 degree standard angles ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Cosec 30 is nothing but reciprocal of sin 30. That is 2, because sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Cosec 30 is reciprocal 2. So minus 2 is the value of 210 degree. Okay. Therefore LHS is equal to 11 power 2. Sin 30 degree value 1 by 2 to the power of plus cosec 210 degree value minus 2 to the power of cos 60 degree value how much? 1 by 2 to the power of cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Apply that chart. That equals 2. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, right? Minus 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 4 cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1. LCM is 2. 2 ones are 1 twos are, right? 1 ones are 1 plus 1 twos are 2. That is 3 by 2. That equals RHS. Is there? That is 2 or 3 mark question. Okay, correct practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Similarly, third problem. Prove that take LHS cot square pi by 6. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. Now take LHS. Now first to convert radian to degree. Cot square pi by 6 means how much degree? 30 degree. Plus cosec 5 pi by 6. 5 pi value 180 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 30s are, right? 30 into 5 150 degree. So that cosec 150. Correct? Plus 3 tan square pi by 6. Pi by 6 degree 30. Okay. Observe it. First angle 30 degree. Last angle 30 degree. Both are standard angle. What about 150 degree? Is it standard angle? No. Is it quadrant? No. First to convert 150 degree in terms of quadrant angles. Either quadrant angle convert madri, aligned angle convert madri. How to convert? Now cosec 150 degree can be written as, we can write cosec of 150 can be written as 180 minus 30. Or if you take cosec of 180 minus 30 ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬಹುದು 90 plus 60, because 90 plus 60 become 150. Don't split 100 plus 50. Don't split 120 plus 30, because 100 degree 120 degree that is not quadrant angle. What are quadrant angles? 0 degree, 90 degree, 180, 270, 360. ಮೊದಲೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎದರಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು? It must be quadrant angles. Either write 180 minus 30, because 180 minus 30 become 150, or if you take 90 plus 60. ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಯು ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as theta ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ 180 minus theta apply allied angle condition 1 2 3 if the angle 180 minus theta 180 plus or minus theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ trigonometric ratios remains same cosec theta cosec 30 degree but 180 minus theta lies in which quadrant 180 minus theta next ಇದೆ 150 degree lies in which quadrant second quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ sin and cosec sin and cosec are positive ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇದೆ cosec ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು positive now that is cosec 30 degree value how much cosec 30 is nothing but reciprocal of sin that is 2 if you take 180 minus 30 ಬದಲು 90 plus 60 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಇದು theta ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ if the angle 90 plus theta 90 degree plus theta ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ trigonometric ratios changes from cosec to what sec ಹೌದಾ sec theta value 60 degree but 90 plus theta lies in which quadrant 90 plus theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು 150 degree lies in which quadrant second quadrant in second quadrant sin and cosec are positive ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ cosec ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಬಾರದು given question sin and cosec are positive here cosec is there ಇದೇನು ಇರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ positive right cosec is positive that equals plus sec 60 degree sec 60 is nothing but reciprocal of cos 60 value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1/2 ಅದರ reciprocal ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 2 so sec 60 degree value using chart that value is 2 ನೋಡ್ರಿ 90 plus 60 ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ or you take 180 minus 30 you take any one okay now here cosec of 150 degree value is 2 okay now take LHS therefore LHS is equal to cot square 30 degree leave it power 2 what is the value of cot 30 degree tan 30 is 1 by root 3 cot 30 is root 3 to the power of 2 right cosec 150 degree value 2 that is solve material plus 3 tan 30 degree leave it power 2 tan 30 is 1 by root 3 to the power of 2 okay now root 3 square how much 3 plus 2 plus 3 1 square 1 root 3 square become 3 3 cancel that is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 plus 1 how much 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 that is equal to RHS is there yes clear fourth problem prove that 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 is equal to 10. Take LHS. Now to convert radian to degree, 2 sin square 3 pi by 4, 3 pi value 180 divided by 4. Simplify 4 ones are 4 4s are 16 carry 2 20 that is 4 5s are 45 3s are 135 correct plus 2 cos square pi by 4 degree 45 plus 2 secant square pi by 3 means 60 degree observe it 45 degree 60 degree standard angle what was 135 degree is it standard angle no is it quadrant no so simplify 135 degree in terms of quadrant angles in terms of allied angle how to convert now apply allied angle leave it power 2 now sin of 135 degree split of the angle that split ಮಾಡ್ರಿ is split ಮಾಡುವಾಗ first term always quadrant angle 135 degree can be written as we can write 180 minus 45 correct 180 and 45 less ಮಾಡಿ 135 or if you take 90 plus 45 because 90 plus 45 is also 135 don't split 100 plus 35 of course 100 plus 35 is 135 but 100 that is not quadrant angle isn't it it must be first term should be quadrant angle only quadrant angle dale irbeku so that 135 degree can be written as either 180 minus 45 degree or 90 plus 45 degree that second angle you call it as theta now apply condition 1 2 3 if the angle 180 minus theta no 180 plus or minus theta what happened trigonometric ratios remains same sin theta, theta value 45 degree. Okay, now apply condition 3. But 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta means 135 degree. 135 degree lies in which quadrant? More than 90 degree. 135 degree means more than 90. Lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? In second quadrant, ASTC rule. This is first quadrant, this is second, third, fourth. Second quadrant, sine and cosec are positive. Here, sine ಏನಿರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? Positive, right? Sine 45 degree is standard angle. You know what is sine 45 degree? 1 by root 2. Okay. Therefore, LHS is equal to 2. Leave it power 2. Sine 135 degree value how much? 1 by root 2 to the power of plus 2. Leave it power 2. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. Now power is plus 2. Leave it power 2. Sec 60 degree is nothing but reciprocal of cos. Cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sec 60 is 2 to the power of, right? Simplify. 2. 1 square is 1. Root 2 square is 2. Plus 2. 1 square is 1. Root 2 square is 2. Plus 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cancel. That equals 1 plus 1. 2 4s are 8. Totally 10. That equals RHS. Here, simple ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Standard angles ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Quadrant angles and standard angles. Okay. Then fifth one. Fifth one is prove that 3 sin pi by 6 into secant pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 4 into cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. Now convert radian to degree. 3 sin pi by 6 means 30 degree into sec pi by 3 means 60 degree, correct? Minus 4 sin 5 pi by 4. 5 pi is 180 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 45s are 45 5s are 225 degree, correct? Into cot pi by 4 means 45 degree, right? Observe it. 30 degree standard angle, you know the value. 60 degrees of standard angle, you know the value. But 225 degree, that is not standard angle. What can you do? Simplify, convert by using allied angle. Now, sine of 225 degree is equal to split of the angle. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು split ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ? It should be in quadrant angle. How to write? We write 180 degree plus 45 degree. No, right? 180 plus 45, 225. Or if you take 270 minus 45, because 270 is quadrant angle, 180 is also quadrant angle. Either you take 180 plus or you take 270 minus theta. That is 270 minus 45 degrees, 225 degree, right? Now in second angle, call it as theta. If the angle 180 plus or minus theta, what happens? Trigonometric ratios remains same. Sin theta, that is sin theta value 45 degree. But 180 plus theta lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. 225 degree lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, tan and cot are positive. Tan ಮತ್ತು cot positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Remaining ratios are negative. Here sin ಏನಿರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? Negative. That is minus sin 45 degree value 1 divided by root 2. Right? Therefore, LHS is equal to 3 sin 30 degree. What is the value of sin 30? Remember, 1 by 2. What is the value of sec 60 degree? 2. Sec 60 is nothing but reciprocal of cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. It's reciprocally 2. Minus 4 sin 225 degree value how much? Minus 1 divided by root 2. Cot 45 degree how much? 1. Correct? Then simplify. Just out ನೋಡಿ. This is, I think this is which one? This is sin square. Square. 2 cancel. Okay. Yes, this is secant sin square. So that here 3, 1 by 2 sec 62 minus, that question is here sin square, take correction. This is power 2, right? Okay. So 3 sin 31 by 2 sec 62 minus 4 sin 225 is minus 1 by 2 power 2 cot 43 is simplify. 2 cancel 3 minus 4 3 minus 4 minus 1 square 1 root 2 square is 2 into 1, correct? So 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is 3 minus 2 into 1 into 1, 3 minus 2 1, that equals RHS, correct? So each question carries 2 or 3 mark questions. Practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using standard angles, quadrant angles, allied angles. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So next problem number 6. Find the value of first one sin 765 degree. Sin 765. How to solve? Verify. Whether 765 degree is it standard angle? No. Is it quadrant angle? No. So split of the angle. How to split? Nam kade irodu maximum 360 degree. Maximum on circle 360. But it is more than that. How to split? Now here convert that value, that angle in terms of multiples of 360. How to write? Nearest value 360 nearest yavutte, we can write 2 into 360. ನೋಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 2 into 360 720. ಆಗ 720 nearest ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. So 720 replace ಮಾಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? 45 degree, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸಪೋಸ್ ನೀವು 3 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ದೂರ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So compare this with nearest angle. So 360 highest angle, multiple of some numbers, 2 into 360. Because 2 into 360 720. 720 plus 45 765 agutala. Okay, fine. This is called as theta. Leave it 2 bit happy. Take this. It bit happy. Only take this. This edike in angle split ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. Next ನಾವು solve ಮಾಡುವಾಗ leave it that. If the angle 360 plus theta, what happens? Trigonometric ratios remains same, sin theta. Leave it that 2. 360 plus theta, trigonometric ratios remain same. But 360 plus theta lies in L barutte after one rotation. Lies in first quadrant. First quadrant. All t ratios are positive, right? That is equal to sin 45 degree value. 1 divided by root 2. That is the value of sin 765 degree. Clear? We take one more example. Innondu problem. Find the value of tan of 19 pi by 3. This is radian. Measure to convert radian to degree. 19 pi value 180 by 3. 3 ones are 360s. That is tan of 19 6 are 1140. Correct? So again verify whether 1140 degree is a standard angle. No. Quadrant angle? No. Split up the angle. How to split? This nearest ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ highest angle ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 360 ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ multiples of some number ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Nearest value. If you take 3 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 into 360 how much? 1080. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು 1140. 1140 ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1080 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1140 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? I think 60 degree. T ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 into 360 1080. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 1140 1080 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? 60 degree. 1080 plus 60 1140, right? Leave it 3 bit equity. Take this, that 60 degree call it as theta, isn't it? Apply the condition. If the angle 360 plus theta, what happened? Trigonometric ratios remains same, correct? But 360 plus theta lies in after one rotation. Lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant, all t ratios are positive. That is equal to tan 60 degree standard angle. You know that is root 3. Root 3 is the value of tan of 1140 degree, right? If you take third one, find the value of sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Observe ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. First to convert radian to degree, minus 11 pi value 180 by 3. 3 ones are 3 60s are 60 into 11 660 minus sine 660. Right? Is it 660 stand angle? No. Quadrant angle? No. First to split it. Now eliminate negative sign. How to eliminate? Put 3 660. Call it as theta. This is theta. How we have to sine of minus theta? You know the formula. If the angle minus theta, what happens? Trigonometric ratios remains same. Sine theta value 660. You know that sine of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Here sin theta value 660. But minus theta lies in which quadrant? Rotation is clockwise direction. Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Cos and sec are positive, but sin is negative. So sin of minus theta is equal to, you know the formula. Solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, minus sin theta. Then split up the angle 660. How to split? Minus sin 660 nearest angle into 360. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು? ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ 2 into 360 how much? 720. ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 660 ಇದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. minus 60 720 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So minus 60, right? Then minus sign as it is, leave it 2, take these two. This is called as theta. If the angle 360 minus theta, trigonometric ratios remain same. Sin theta value 60 degree, right? That minus sign as it is. Sin of 360 minus is sin theta. But 360 minus theta lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, ಯಾವ positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Cos and sec are positive. What sign? Negative. Correct? ಈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 360 minus lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant sign ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Minus. That minus into minus plus sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree value, you know standard angle. How much? √3 by 2. Right? Similarly, fourth one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ find the value of cosec of minus 111410 degree. How to solve? Put 1410 degree, call it as theta. It is in the form cosec of minus theta. If the angle minus theta, apply allied angle. If the angle minus theta, trigonometric ratios remain same. Cosec theta. But minus theta lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ positive ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Cos and sec. But here cosec, its value minus. You know that cosec of minus theta is equal to what? Minus cosec theta. Now split up the angle 1410 degree. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಈಗ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 360 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು? 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? 3 into 360 1080. ನಮಗೆ 1410 ಬೇಕು, ಬಹಳ ದೂರ ಆಯ್ತು. So that if you take 4 ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ, 4 into 360 how much? 1440. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1410. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? 30. That is minus 30 degree. This is 1440. ಇದರ 30 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1410. Is there? Yes. Now this is called as theta. Take these two only, leave it that part. Will be calculated. That is equal to minus. If the angle 360 minus theta, leave it 4. If the angle 360 minus theta, trigonometric ratios remains the same. Cosec theta, that is 30 degree. But 360 minus theta lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Here cosec ಇದೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Negative. That negative into negative, positive. Cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree is nothing but reciprocal of sine. 1 by sine. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cosec 30 is 2. Clear? So this is the fourth problem. Cosec of minus 1410 degree ಸೊ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಆರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಟ್ರೈ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದೆನ್ ಅಲೈಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ತ್ರೀ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಕೂಡ ಈಸಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವು ಮೂರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.